Good afternoon, and thank you for having me here. And I'm Leheng Chen from Peking University, and I'm a PhD student, major in mathematics. And we just make some AI for education practice in Peking University, and we developed an AI learning platform named PKU Quest. And today I want to give a short talk about this learning platform and focus on two main points: reducing AI hallucination and forcing students critical thinking. So first, let's walk through our short research motivation. First, our starting point is 2 years ago, just after GPT-4 release. Our teachers just test GPT-4 with our calculus final exam, and the result is very surprising because GPT-4 just can get a score just like an average undergraduate students in Peking University. Another survey we have done in 2024 showed that more than 90% of students in Peking University have used AI tools to assist their learning in their daily works. So this is not just a future or any problems we talk here is just something we are facing in the real course or lessons in our university. So these come out about two critical challenges. So first, students may be misled by AI hallucinations because AI may provide with incorrect information. Another common issue is that these AI tools may let students think not independently, actually. They just copy the AI answers to their homework, so we call this cognitive offloading. So under this research motivation, we just developed PKU Quest. And here I also want to mention about DI-IDEA, which is an alliance led by the Peking University. And more than 30 institutions have come here and just give forums and workshops to develop and to discuss how we can use AI properly in our higher education. And now back to our learning platform, PKU Quest. We just launched our PKU Quest platform in October 2024. And for teachers, they can help teachers to automatically generate quiz question and also automatically grading students' assignments. And for students, we just cover the fundamental mathematics and computer science foundational courses. And today I will just focus on the math tools. So here, I will show that our platform has reached total user around 14,000 users, and are very fortunate to get just reach the typical case for AI education in Ministry of Education China. And due to the limitation of time, I'll just share our experience in developing this math tutor AI tool. And I will share a short video to show this AI tool interaction between AI and human. Sorry, is there some? So here is our math tutor tool, and we just cover. Let's try again.
Maybe the sound is off. Sorry.
Yeah. Turn. Let's see.
Math Tutor already contains solutions to exercises from 8 foundational math courses at Peking University, including calculus, linear algebra, and Math Tutor is a heuristic, interactive AI assistant designed to help students work through math problems. Upon entering the system, you'll find that it already contains solutions to exercises from 8 foundational math courses at Peking University, including calculus, linear algebra, and probability and statistics. By clicking on a textbook, you can access the exercise directory. Select an exercise and you'll enter the Math Tutor tutoring page. This particular problem tests the student's understanding of monotonic intervals and extreme points of a function. Unlike conventional AI assistants, Math Tutor does not directly provide the answer. For example, if a student says, "Tell me the answer directly," the system will not give away the solution. Instead, it guides the student to think about what mathematical tools might be useful. If the student is unsure, they can ask Math Tutor for a hint. The system may suggest considering operations related to slope and rate of change. Prompted by this, the student recalls the concept of a derivative and correctly calculates the first derivative of the function. At this point, Math Tutor recognizes that the student has provided the correct response and synchronizes the first step of the correct solution on the left side of the screen. Then, it continues guiding the student by asking what properties a critical point should have. After responding, the student correctly identifies the point where the derivative equals 0. In response, Math Tutor displays the next step in the solution process. Through this kind of human-AI interaction, Math Tutor effectively promotes independent thinking and helps students truly understand the essence of mathematical problems.
So just this short video shows this interaction between our Math Tutor and our students. And what is different from common ChatGPT or Claude or Gemini is that here we embed our human annotated correct answers on the left-hand side. So if the students see the answer show on the left-hand side, they know that these are 100% correct answers. So the first thing is that we move our AI tutor from a problem-solving machine to a tutoring to a tutor. The job is not to solve this question because we already have these correct answers. We just let this AI tutor to give students hints, let students think step by step to solve the problem by themselves. So this is the first thing. So from this way, we just make actually hallucination-free tutoring system. And another point we want to mention is that our system do not give the direct answer. We just use prompt engineering to let this AI tutor. This AI tutor can access our correct answer, but it will never reveal it to our students. It will ask students questions. So students may just, like here, our math tutor will ask, how would you use derivatives or to determine this monotonicity of a function on a given interval? And also these questions like, can you try selecting some test points to check the monotonicity? And so our math tutor will never give any specific direct answer to students, but it will give step-by-step or very detailed hints for students. And when the students find out by themselves, the correct answers will show on the left-hand side. So through this kind of design, we just force the student to think independently, to force them cultivate critical thinking. So from this math practice, we found we must build AI education tool not only to make them solve more problems, because these problem-solving ability of AI tools are increasing these days, and maybe after 2 years, our university level questions will never be an obstacle for these AI models. But these AI models are, we must make them as a tutor in our system and not a problem-solving machine. So when we make them, just embed them into our system, we must consider a core challenge that we should balance cognitive forcing and cognitive scaffolding. This is to tell that we should encourage students' independent thinking, but sometimes we also need to give students some support, because many students may stuck to one point, and we need AI to give them some necessary support. So this is a balance we need to adjust in the real practice, actually. And the direction we found in our development of this math tutor is that we should design intelligent agents to simulate real learning interactions. Because real learning interactions isn't just chatbot version, it is just chat with anybody else. Like in this math learning process, we need some kind of blackboard. We need some kind of step-by-step explanation, and we need to simulate some kind of like this process so that students can get the real point of our learning. So the final requirements when we try to develop this AI education tool is that we need to embed this domain-specific pedagogy into this human AI application design. So this is a showcase of our PKU Quest platform, and that's all. Thank you.